Hi, welcome to Wingops tutorial on how to add and manage tools in your inventory. To begin, navigate to the Inventory tab and select the Tools sub-tab. If you wish to add many tools at once, you can use the bulk upload feature, which works the same across the platform. Simply hover over the Actions menu. Select Import from Excel and upload your filled out sheet. However, for this tutorial, we will look at how to add a new tool manually by clicking the plus tool button. First, enter your tool ID or marking. Next, select the owner. This lets you track whether the tool belongs to you or if you are holding a client's tool in your warehouse. Name the tool and optionally add the serial number, part number, model, and manufacturer. You can also select a vendor from a drop-down list, which can be updated in the settings under the Context tab. To keep your warehouse organized, be sure to specify the station, location, and specific shelf where the tool is stored. Mark whether the tool requires calibration. If it does, enter the calibration interval, the certificate or standard, and the inspection details. Wingops uses a visual traffic light system across the platform to monitor these deadlines. If everything is up to date, the status is green. As a deadline approaches, it turns orange. Once a deadline passes with no updates, it turns red. It is important to note that any tool with a red status is unusable and cannot be added to a work order. If a tool requires calibration, you must also upload the required documents. If no documents are added, the attachment icon will turn red after saving, alerting you that mandatory files are missing. To fix this, just click on the button and upload the certificates. Now, let's look at an example of a tool that does not require calibration. Because it does not need mandatory compliance documents, the attachment icon remains neutral. To easily track everything, there is a Files Notes tab where all the related documents and notes will be gathered. The logbook shows exactly when and where the tool has been used. The Activity tab tracks every change made to the specific tool. Wingops also generates easily scannable QR code labels for your inventory. To print one, hover over the Actions menu and click Label. This is how your label will look. If you need to print labels for several tools at once, you can do that from the main list. Simply check the boxes next to the tools you need, hover over the Actions menu at the bottom of the page, and click Labels. You can always change how your general tools table is displayed. On the main page, you can filter and customize your table to fit your needs. You can also customize your QR labels by navigating to Settings, selecting the Inventory tab, and choosing Tools. Here, you can adjust the label dimensions and choose which data fields appear on the printout. Don't forget to save your changes. Finally, if you need to track extra details not included in the standard Wingops form, you can create custom fields for your tools by going to Settings, selecting Data Fields, and navigating to the Inventory Tools section. Thank you for watching.